From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Hello, I'm student meteorologist Nick Johnson from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and I'll be going through a 7-day forecast for the State College and the Pennsylvania areas. So if I take a look at what we're seeing right now over Beaver Stadium, you're going to see we have some mostly clear skies with a few passing clouds here or there. And temperatures right now are 79 degrees, with a feels like temperature of 79 degrees, dew point of 45 degrees, visibility of 10 miles, and then winds are coming from the south at around 7 miles per hour. And then for our weather headlines for the remainder of this week, heading into the weekend, and then also next week, we're going to be having some abnormally high temps to end the week, particularly today and tomorrow, ahead of a front making its way in from the central portions of the country. And then on Saturday, we're going to be having some rain and thunderstorms, particularly strongest in Saturday afternoon and evening. And then heading into next week, we're going to be having a cool and dry start to the week, with temperatures getting back near or below average for this time of year. And then temperatures across central Pennsylvania are highest in the western portions of the state, and then lowest in the eastern portions right now. And then if we zoom out to see the entire state, we can see that this trend is continuing, with Pittsburgh getting up into the low 80s down here in southwestern Pennsylvania. And then if we take a look at our temperature departure from average, you're going to see the entire state is in the positive right now, with some places getting up into the high teens and low 20s for this time of year. If you compare the temperatures right now to average temperature for this particular day in history. And then if we zoom out to see the entire country, or to the entire eastern half of the country, you're going to see the entire eastern half of the United States right here is in the positives for temperature departure. And if we take a look at wind speeds right now across the Commonwealth, they're going to be highest in the western portions over here, with winds coming in from the southwest. And then in the eastern half, it's going to be more so calm in single digits, as winds are coming in from the south and then also from the southeast a little bit. And then for our satellite data for this afternoon, you're going to see some mostly clear skies with a few clouds here in the northwest, but generally clear skies across the entire state. And then if we zoom out to see the entire country, you're going to see the entirety of this system making its way across the country right now, across the United States, with the heaviest bands of precipitation and snowfall, rainfall, making their way up through to the north, but we are going to be having some impacts from this system heading into the weekend. And then moving on to our future weather through the remainder of today, a few clouds making their way in, but again, mostly clear skies. And then heading into tomorrow, into the morning tomorrow, is where we're going to be having some more clear skies across the state here, clearing ahead of this system, which is making its way in. And then by tomorrow afternoon and evening is when we're going to be having some mostly cloudy skies with some isolated showers, some rain showers here and there. And then heading into Saturday is where we're having some mostly cloudy skies again, heading into the morning, and then into the afternoon is when we have this pretty thick band of rainfall and thunderstorms making its way across the country, or make its way across Pennsylvania, excuse me, and this is by the afternoon, so this is going to be impacting our area throughout the afternoon and evening on Saturday. And then by Sunday, not much in the way of precipitation by the time we get to the afternoon, but we are going to be having some cloud coverage behind this system, which is going to be over top of our area in the afternoon. And then for tonight in State College, we have a low temperature of 50 degrees with partly cloudy skies, and then winds are coming from the south at around 3 to 6 miles per hour. For tomorrow, we have a high temperature of 83 degrees with some mostly sunny skies, and then winds are coming from the southwest at around 8 to 10 miles per hour, and then gusts around 15 to 20 miles per hour, so some stronger winds tomorrow. And then for our 7-day forecast from there, you're going to see Saturday some rain and thunderstorms again. Temperatures starting to drop a little bit with a high of 71 and a low of 44 in the evening. On Sunday, some morning showers are going to be persisting with, again, a drop in temperature getting into the 50s, 54, high, low of 35. And then Monday, a mix of sun and clouds during the day with a high of 53 and a low of 32. And then Tuesday, some partly cloudy skies with a high of 59, a low of 35 in the evening. And then finally on Wednesday, a high of 65. Temperatures are going to be rising a little bit throughout the week with some mostly sunny skies. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Nick Johnson. Thanks for listening. Have a great rest of your day and have a great weekend.